Michelle Reed. If you guys are new here, I post a lot of lifestyle videos, career videos. I've started my job. That is kind of what I'm up to. This video is so special though because it is actually a weekend in my life. I never film weekend in my life, and I think that's because I never really like ever did too much on the weekends. I would do like a few things here and there, but was never like the weekends just like weren't that big of a deal. But now that I am working 9 to 5, I realized how important it is to have like a restful weekend where you do things that you love to do, that you really just reset. And so I want this vlog to be a really just like peaceful reset weekend of my life. Try to be more intentional with my time when I'm not working. And so today is Saturday morning. It is 9:45 and I slept until like 8:30-ish, 9, because I was kind of out late with friends last night, which was really fun. And obviously I am in my workout clothes, and that is because today's video is actually sponsored by Lululemon. If you guys don't know, Lululemon just released a whole new self-care line of products to use after you work out. And oh my gosh, I've already used a few of these, but I'm going to talk more about that after I work out and actually like use all of them. But I just think it's so cool. So I just want to say thank you to Lululemon for sponsoring today's video. I'm about to work out this morning because I don't want to work out at night. It actually got me like a 90-minute massage for my birthday at this all-women's spa in Soho. So I am so excited. I'm actually going to that. So I didn't want to like work out after I went and got a massage and everything. So we're also doing like the gondola boats in Central Park because it's 80 degrees outside. It's sunny. I wanted to do those for such a long time, and so I'm so excited to do that. And then I think tonight I'm just gonna do laundry and kind of reset and clean my apartment. Sunday I have church. I'm gonna grocery shop and probably just enjoy the time outside because it's finally sunny outside. But I'm wearing this black turn to tie tank. I love this because the back is just this really cute tie. So these leggings are the Wonder Under leggings. I love these for running. They are the 7/8 length, and then these are actually the navy ones. And I just think that the navy is really cool. I feel like the navy is really flattering for some reason, and so I really like these. So I just got out of the shower from working out, so I'm gonna use some products. Also, my skin is breaking out really badly because I am currently on my period. First thing I'm going to use is the Sweat Reset Face Moisturizer. I'm so excited to use this because it's supposed to really cool down your face after you work out. A lot of times when you sweat when you work out, it dehydrates your face. And it's so cool because it just twists up. So this is just like a gel moisturizer. Oh my goodness, it totally does cool your face. It has like a really clean, fresh scent. This is the anti-stink deodorant. I was just talking to my boyfriend Aiden about how my deodorant does not work anymore because it's so hot here now. And so I used this last night actually, and I was like, oh my gosh, this deodorant works so well. I was reading the product descriptions today, and it's aluminum free. It goes on clear, and it's a spray, and it's also dry. I never thought I'd be putting on deodorant on a YouTube video. And this is just the basic Balm lip balm. I've actually already used this, but it has natural organic beeswax in it. And since I just did my makeup, I'm now gonna do my hair, but I honestly am kind of liking it just up, so I might just put some dry shampoo in it and then put it back up. But this is the No Show dry shampoo. This is also aluminum free. I love all the self-care products. If you guys want to check them out, I'll have them linked down below. They're so great for just like getting ready really fast after the gym, which for me is really, really important. So those will be down below if you want to check them out. I'm about to head out to go boating. Also, this dress is of course from Princess Polly. I broke this out. I haven't worn this since last year, but I love it. It's so pretty, and I like that it has like little slits in it, but they're not super high, so it's just like just enough, really cute and like flirty. My massage today was so nice. Oh my goodness, if you guys are ever in New York City and you're looking to get a massage, I went to Soho Sanctuary. It was so nice. It's an all-women's spa too, which just kind of makes you feel more comfortable whenever you go in a spa. I'm so grateful Aiden did that for my birthday. It was so sweet. I love getting gifts that like I wouldn't buy myself, and I would never book myself like a 90-minute massage. So she told me I have pretty bad posture up in this area. I have a tendency to curve a lot, like my spine. So she told me that I should try sleeping on my back more, which is really hard for me. But even though it's a Saturday night and I'm doing laundry, I just feel so good. I stopped by Buffalo Exchange after my massage, picked up a couple of dresses. It was just like a really fun day. The boats were fun. It was so restful, and then just getting my laundry done tonight, it's gonna be so nice for tomorrow. I won't have to do that, and I can just kind of do whatever I want to. I'm eating a really weird dinner of a frozen veggie burger, cowboy caviar with corn tortilla chips, and then carrots. So I really need a grocery shop. This is kind of all I have, so I'm just eating this for dinner, and then tomorrow I'll be back to good food. So today is Sunday. Last night I just hung out with Aiden, then I went to sleep. It is currently 8:45 right now, and I just got ready to go to church. I have church at 9:30. Aiden's gonna meet me here, and then we're gonna go and like get coffee on the way. Might get breakfast after because I have an eyebrow appointment at 12:15 and it's closer to church, so I don't want to like come back and then go. So I'm gonna go to Trader Joe's, and then I'm gonna start going through my stuff. I am planning on moving in the middle of July, and every single weekend leading up to that, I'm pretty sure I'm not going to be in my apartment, so I really need to start going through stuff and like actually downsizing clothes, not just like putting a few things on Poshmark, but like getting rid of a lot of stuff. So I'm just kind of start like going through my stuff, and then I also want to clean my apartment, and I also want to film an apartment tour because that's something that I want to film every single place I live in New York City, because I think it's really fun to see, and it's just like different memories in different places, so I think that's going to be fun to do. So for church today, I'm just wearing this dress. I believe this is from Boohoo. It's just like a really long button-down black dress. I feel like it kind of looks like a pilgrim dress, but it's really comfy, and I like wearing long dresses in the city because if the wind blows or whatever, it like doesn't blow it up. So also, these earrings used to have like tassels on them, and the tassels fell off, but they're actually still really cute. So I got them from Madewell. But
for the means of grace and for the hope of glory.
I just got back from church and also from getting my eyebrows done. I think that they look so much better. I got them done at the Benefit Brow Bar in Chelsea, but planning on having a pretty chill rest of the day. But it turns out that the apartment that we applied to, someone else applied before us and beat us, and so we didn't get the apartment, and so I'm back on the hunt, and so I'm gonna go see another apartment today that I'm pretty sure is not gonna work out. But I just feel like now I need to look at every single thing, because finding an apartment in New York City is so like, it's fun looking at places. Relaxing Sunday got a little stressful, but it's okay. I also want to go get groceries before I see the apartment, so I need to leave in like 10 minutes, get groceries, get back on the subway, go see this apartment, come home, and then do everything. So I really wish I could just take a nice Sunday nap, but that is just not the reality today. So I just got back from Trader Joe's, and I'm going to unload the stuff as I show you guys what I got, because I got some different things that I normally get. I have been meal prepping my lunch for work, and I just wanted to try out some new meal prep recipes. So I'm gonna show you guys the stuff that I got. We got some Ezekiel bread, which is pretty normal for me. I got just a thing of eggs, bananas, and raspberries. I got a green pepper and then 2 Honeycrisp apples. I'm trying to use these reusable bags whenever I get fruit. Obviously some things I kind of had to get the plastic in because it was in it, but wherever I try to not get plastic, I do, and I also use my little cart. So I've been a lot better, and that's something that I would try to tell you guys to do too. Got a head of broccoli. I got arugula and jalapenos for like a Mexican recipe that I'm making. Cilantro. I got this dark chocolate lovers chocolate bar. That's kind of like my thing throughout the week. I like to have a little square of dark chocolate every night because I think it tastes really good. 2 red peppers, frozen falafel. I got some hummus, and then I also got mint because I'm gonna start putting mint in my water. I think it'll taste really good. Chicken breast, limes. These are the Trader Joe's stuffed peppers. I'm gonna have these for dinner one night. I love those, and it's just a lot more practical to buy that than to actually make them. And then I also got some avocados. I have a ton of canned things. I have diced, no salt added tomatoes, chunky salsa. I actually got a candle. It's a peony blossom scented candle, and it's soy. And I've been burning Christmas candles, so I wanted something that was like a little more fresh to burn. Another thing of tomatoes, some black beans, garbanzo beans. I got some chicken broth, vegetable broth, and then I also got some pineapple juice. I don't actually drink this, but for one of the recipes, the chicken was like marinated in that. Bigger haul than normal, but I'm trying to actually eat all my groceries this week and not eat out, and so got back from viewing that apartment, and I kid you not, I'm not even just being dramatic, it was so ugly. It made me so sad. It was so dark. There wasn't laundry. The kitchen was probably the size of my bed frame. It was so little. I'm doing a whole video documenting all the places we toured, which I think will be really helpful because I don't think people realize how difficult it is to find an apartment here. I'm viewing another one tomorrow and another one on Tuesday, so I'm hoping one of those ends up working out. My fan is on, but I'm doing some meal prep right now. This is like a typical Sunday night. I got some peppers here, and then here I'm just making like some chicken. It's supposed to be like a fajita bowl, but every time I cook a whole chicken breast on my stove, it just sets the fire alarm off, and so I just didn't want to do that. And then I also just made like mashed black beans with like lime and cilantro, so just like another little Mexican dish. But that is what I'm cooking up. I'll probably have this for tomorrow too.